Listen by yourself, a dialogue between atheist and Muslim.
Billions of galaxies and solar systems exist. Can't there be a living being on any planet? So, do you have to affirm Allah's existence? How else so much ingenuity can exist? Coincidence, bro, coincidence. Mathematically, its possibility is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3. Even if it is low, there is a possibility. So, coincidence is possible. Do you understand? Okay, let's talk in terms you can understand. I take these candies and throw them to the table. Would you believe me if I told you that after you throw the candies, those of the same color will cluster together? I'll believe, bro. Even if it is low, there is a possibility. Would you believe me if I told you that they'll all be sorted in a single row at the same time? Well, would you believe me if I have only one chance to throw them? Shall we try 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3 times? According to your logic, I also have to stop taking part in the action. So how is it possible? Do you understand the difference between you and me? We try to see the Almighty's hand behind the scenes for what you close your eyes and associate with coincidence. Even in the manner in which these simple candies are displayed can't be formed by chance. How can such a large explosion have perfect order when it creates chaos in all circumstances? The Earth rotates on its axis and orbits the Sun. Other planets move along their own axis, like soldiers at command without deviating. The Sun and the Earth, and precise distances between other planets. Balanced structure of atmosphere layers. Thousands of plant and animal species, which have their own needs, sustenance, equipment, devices. They live in a magnificent order without being confused or interfering with one another. There is more than what I say. So perfect structure of the human body. Structure of the eye, ear, brain, amazing coding of the cell and DNA. Hundreds and thousands of proofs of precise regularity aren't blind chance. Look. One possessing boundless power, all-encompassing knowledge, and infinite wisdom could have any part in this administration, which is wondrous to the utmost degree, because if someone who can manage and raise all of these species and nations, which are all intertwined, interferes with one of them, the whole thing will fall apart. Do you understand?